us now know more about planets and Sun. The distance between the planets are measured by light year. The specific unit of measurement is light year. 1 light year is equal to 9,460 trillion 730 billion 472 million 580,800 meters. Light year can be explained like the unit of distance traveled by the light in 1 Earth year. Sun, located 149 million kilometers far from Earth. Because of this, it looks very smaller from the Earth. Sun is the center of the solar system. All other planets are revolving around the Sun. And the Sun is the biggest star among the solar system. Sun is 400 times larger than the moon. Sun is a fireball. It's just like a fireball. Now the first very planet near to the Sun is Mercury. See the beauty of the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is more hotter than other planets. Mercury is the most closest planet to the Sun among our solar system. The Mercury just need 88 days to revolve around the Sun. All other planets need more time period to revolve around the Sun due to the longer distance from the Sun. See, this is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is visible from our Earth in morning and in the evening. Venus is 5.524 million kilometers from our Earth. Venus is 108.87 million kilometers away from the Sun. Venus needs 244.7 days for revolving around the Sun one time. And Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Now here comes the beautiful Earth. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. Earth is called as the blue planet. Why? Because it contains 70% of water on its surface. Earth is situated 151.93 million kilometers away from the Sun. Sun is the only planet in our solar system which contains the life. Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the Sun, and the nearest satellite of the Earth is the Moon. Now see, this is the Mars. Okay, everyone wants to go to Mars. So here is our Mars. Mars is also called as the red planet. Mars has contained a large amount of chemical called iron oxide. Mars has 2 moons revolving around it. Mars is 207.94 million kilometers away from the Sun. Mars is 101.2 million away from our Earth. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. Mars needs 687 days to revolve round the Sun once. Okay. Now the Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest and the largest planet among the solar system. See the beauty of the Jupiter. The core of the Jupiter is full of rock and the hydrogen metal. Jupiter have 67 moons. My God, it is having 67 moons revolving around it. Jupiter is 771.11 million kilometers away from the Sun. Jupiter is 622.5 million kilometers away from our Earth. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Here comes the Saturn. It is the sixth in position in the solar system from the Sun. Saturn is 1.4947 billion kilometers away from the Sun. Saturn is 1.3435 billion kilometers away from our Earth. Saturn has rings-like structure around it. These rings are almost composed of the ice particles. Saturn has 62 moons revolving around it. Now the Uranus. Uranus is a similar planet as Neptune. Uranus has 27 natural satellites. How many satellites? It is having 27 natural satellites. Uranus looks like bluish green in color. The atmosphere of Uranus is very cold and cloudy. Uranus is 2.9608 billion kilometers away from the Sun. Uranus is 2.9739 billion kilometers away from our Earth. Uranus need about 84 years to complete one revolution round the Sun. Here is the Neptune. My goodness, see the beauty. Neptune is a most far planet from Sun among the solar system. Neptune is 17 times bigger than our Earth. Neptune is light blue in color. Neptune is the most coldest planet among the solar system. Neptune is most densest planet comparing to other planets. 4.4765 billion kilometers away from the Sun and 4.3706 billion away from our Earth. Around 165 Earth year needs to complete one revolution.